Alright, so guys, hey guys, my name is Gabe. My name's Gabe, and this is Gabe's Goals, where I try new things and learn new skills. If you'd like to know more about what this YouTube channel is about, you can click the card right there, assuming I remember to put it in. And today, I'm going to try and make the most beautiful looking breakfast I can. Starting with, these are some poached eggs that I just made. And we're going to throw some bread, and I'm going to try and make it really, really pretty. And then take a picture, and maybe we'll see what my family thinks. I think this is gonna be good. I also think here might be good. Oh,
that's roasted garlic pasta sauce.
that is not what I meant to grab. I thought it was salsa. Got you know, I'm gonna be honest, if I had a bunch of things, I'm not gonna eat it because I just like a good egg on bread. So we're just gonna make it pretty, but simply pretty. So here we go. Okay, so at this point I did a quick Google Images search to get some ideas, and then in a second here you'll see. Basically just went to town trying to figure this out. Really a lot of experimenting and goofing around, but here's the end result. Their down looks good. Happy with the way the mustard turned out, but we're just gonna have to roll with it. Let's be honest, I have a whole new appreciation for people who decorate plates. Jack of all trades is a master of none. It's not ridiculously amazing, but would you all agree that it's better than your plate looks when you make your own food? Assuming I don't have any major chefs in the audience, that would be a yes. So I'd say that I gave it a good shot, and I'll give you a picture. Y'all can vote in the comment section down below. 1 being you wouldn't even eat it, it's so gross. And aside from this one minute non-edible detail, 10 being that's the best thing you've ever seen, what would you vote this one as? Here comes the picture right now. Kind of funny. Probably thought I'd just smash the whole thing in my mouth, but no, sirree. I'm not even gonna eat most of this stuff. There, that's what I'm gonna eat right there. Alright guys, subscribe, some videos. Till next time, peace. Comment down below if there's anything you want me to try or learn. Alright, see ya.